Bread house tayo, Tapuak, Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Pasok tayo. Ayan, oh. Ito, ang dami nag-aalmusal. Ayan. Ito ang compliments. Yan, oh. Compliments nila. Ayan, oh. Oh, yan, oh. This is libre. Pati taho, meron. This is located at Tapuak, Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Ayan. Ayan. Ito ang breakfast nila. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Kita nyo? Gelatin, ang donut. Compliments yan. Ayun, may compliments. Taho, soup, ano to, gelatin, and then donut. Look up there. Eggs. Ayan. Check that. Chocolate half raw. Caramel half. Choco roll. Velvet. Plus. Choco caramel. Choco bell. Kung ano-anong bell na ito. Siyempre, because it's a bread house, nandito yung mga breads nila. Ayan. Ayan. Breads nila. Ayan si mga... Ito yung taksulog nila. And then, yung longganisa. Yung group nila equal ang gamit. Let's eat. Thank you, Lord. Time check. 8:50. Ayan, ang tao. Dami yun. Taho at saka bibingka. Their restroom. Oh, di ba? Bango! Out na namin kasi overload yung breakfast nila. As in, grabe. Pati yung mga compliments namin. Sulit. Bill is 500 too with discount pa. Not bad. Ayan, may take out pa. Bread house. Cafe and bakery. We're going home. Touchdown. 10:27. Ayan.